Where are we stopping at? The light post or the electrical?
For the 50th time, we're stopping right here.
For the beach area, we're laying down an overlay with the magic trowel. The water area we're hand troweling to give it some nice waves.
Sorry.
That was me.
Beautiful day.
Don't be afraid to splash against your wall, buddy. Oh yeah.
After the sand and water cured, we then laid down the stencil. Once the stencil was good to go, we then started the staining process. We did the beach area a beech nut brown. For the water, we used 2 different shades of blue and a shade of green.
Katie, don't be shy to tell people what's going on here, yeah?
I'm making the ocean. It's the ocean. Is that great?
Yeah.
Once the water area has been stained, we then go ahead and start staining the sun and the moon. For this stencil, we used an array of colors to give it a nice sunset look. On the stencil, we stained it with some soft bristled paintbrushes and a sponge that you see here. Here's the final product. We added in some whites to the watered area and then sealed it up with 2 coats of clear sealer. I was sick on that day, so I don't have footage of that, so I apologize. But either way, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing. Please consider liking the video if you liked it. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.